Welcome back to a lecture series on digital image processing. In this lecture, we are now going to discuss about the practicals of unsupervised classification. The unsupervised classification through NV software, NV software. We will start the practicals. Once if you open the window, now we are now going to add the data. I am just adding the data. So the data is now Sundarban multispectral image is added, and then you are now bringing your window into the full screen mode. And after bringing the full screen mode, now there are three spectra: green, red, and near infrared bands are open. This is not true color, or this is not even false color. FCC, it means it would have been the vegetation turned to red in color. Here it is display simply all on the spectral informations. So unsupervised classification, it is already set of algorithms developed by many scientists was given as an upon program, and in the NV software now we are going to add it. And look at that this image. It is coastal regions of rivers with meanderings, and then the vegetations, thick vegetations are there. It's all mangrove forest of Sundarban regions. So in these regions, now we are going to classify the spectra. I mean the object into with respect to on our own. The system will do on its own. That is called unsupervised. You are not giving any direction the system to reclassify and all. It means already the set of programs or the algorithms are set by the software. It is now going to be operated in the software menu itself, and then in that we will have to select the you can zoom and check your area in between, and after that what we have to do, we have to go to the classification. We have to select the unsupervised classification. We have to select the unsupervised classification, and once if we supervised is the one which we intervene the system to reclassify the images. Unsupervised, it means it is not. There are two options: ISO data classification and k-means classification. So it's again set of programs, algorithms are being used in the NV software, NV programs to classify the image into two categories. Normally we select k-mean classification. You double click the k-mean classification, and you will get a window k-mean classification. Here you have number of options like number of classes, number of iteration, how many times it has to do. Is it maximum standard deviation from mean operation is being carried out, or maximum distance error is also you are going to assign something like that. And then where you are going to keep your files also, you have to choose the place where you are going to keep. And you can normally wish between 5 and 10 for the classification. You can make even for 5 classification, or you can do for 10 classifications. That depends on our interest. We normally keep 5 for the classification assessment. Once if you have given the 5, and then the other options like 5 change threshold values also, normally we keep 5, and then after that number of iteration you can give 10 times of the iteration. So this is standard ones which you give for your system to classify. Other things we never operate. Standard deviation from the mean also we will not touch. We will give where we have to give the output file name. We have to choose the location, and then give the name of the file where you are going to keep unsupervised classification data. Give open, and now it is set. You have to check now after giving OK. Now it takes time. minimum 2 3 seconds. So it will 10 times because you have given 10 times of iteration, it will run through, check, and then give your answer. I mean classification into 5 class. 0 is unclassified. 0 is unclassified as class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. There are 5 class which it takes automatically segregate the spectral value into equal intervals of the minimum to maximum, and it classifies the image into various objects. Now you swipe and then check. 0 is unwanted pixel value. You can one by one check in, check out, and then what is that? You just run your satellite images. You just click class 1, it is water depth area, and swipe like that you can do, and then check whether you are coming to your satisfaction level or not. Normally we advise for the group of researchers to do supervised classification. Unsupervised is sometimes required during emergency. You cannot wait for a long time to take to work, because this has got accuracy of more than 90%. Many times we also have checked, but my supervised classification is advisable for any accuracy research. With this, the unsupervised classification, how to do it in NV, is come to an end. Thank you very much.